Hello everyone. So in this video, what we will be trying to achieve is a expandable and collapsible div. Okay, so let's jump right in. So this is a basic HTML where we will be developing it. Okay, so we have our div, and inside this div, let's give it an ID of, let's say, parent container, and inside this we will be having another div. This will be of ID head of or header container. Okay, and div ID body container. Okay, and let's give some styling to this. So basically we will have a link, so link rel style.css. So let's create our style.css. So here parent container. Okay, and we will have margin, let's say top, or let's say margin 50 pixels, padding, or let's say minimum width 600 pixels. Okay, and we will give box shadow. So box shadow, we will take the code from here. Okay, so let's see how does that look now. We haven't given a height, so height of, let's say, 400 pixels. Just okay. Now, okay, that is way too much. Let's give it, let's say, 400 pixel. It is taking the full size. Max width 600. Okay, and let's put it in the center, or let's leave it here only. Uh, Now we want to make it collapsible. Okay, so before we do that, header container. So let's style that header container. So background color, and we will give a blue color. Okay, so not this blue, I want. Okay, so this one, width will be 100%. Okay, and in the header container we will have h3. Okay, and this will be uh, content header. Okay, so we will have header container h1, color will be white. And okay, we have h3. Okay, now we want to give some padding, let's say 30 pixels. Let's see how does that look. Okay, that's too much. 10 pixel. Okay, 80%. How does that look? 90, 100. Why is it going outside? Let's give this fixed width. Maybe that's because of that. No. Container. Okay. Okay, it's because of the padding. So let's give padding top, bottom, but left, right 0 pixel. I think that should fix it. Okay. Now padding this one, margin left 30 pixels. Okay, and here we will have a icon. Okay, so let's go to line icon. Okay, some line icon. Documentation getting started. We need the icons. Okay, so we need the CDN one. So here we will put the icon, and now we can use the icon. So in icons we'll have plus. Okay, so we will need this one. So let's copy and let's paste it here. Let's see, we have that, but we want it on the right hand side. So position absolute right, let's say 30 pixel, top 10 pixel. Let's see, where did that go? Position relative. Oh my god. Absolute and header container. Let's give position of relative. I think that should get it fixed. Okay, now this part, what we do, let's give top 20 pixels, 30 maybe, to bring it a bit down. And font size. Okay, let's cut this thing from here, and let's write id of header expand. Okay, header expand. We can have this right over here. So font size, let's say 40 pixel, color white. Okay, now we have to bring it here, 20. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and header expand, hover, uh, cursor pointer, and we have this hover effect, and we will have some body over here. So let's give some h4, and here header title, and we will have some lorem ipsum. Okay, that should be it. Now we have to style this one body container. So hash body con hash body container padding of 20 pixels. Okay, this seems fine. And header title, we have it. Container header, we content header, we have that. Now our task is to make this collapsible. In that case, we can't give a fixed height over here. Okay, so it's like this. When we click this should go up. And okay, so initially we have this body container display none. Okay, now let's go to jQuery CDN link W3 schools. So we will get the CDN link from there, and we will put it here. And now we will have the script. So basically script, we have an src script.js. Let's create the script file script.js. Here we have document.ready function. Let's just to test if this is working. Hello world. Okay, so our jQuery CDN is working. So on click, so basically on whose click, on click on this. Okay, so header container dot click function. Okay, what we want to do, body container. Okay, why is it shown in this color? Body container. Okay, let's do it again. Why is this yellow color coming? Remove unused. Okay, body container dot show. Okay, and I think this now fixes that. Okay, and it's it's getting shown. We can also give like fade in. Let's see that. Okay, and on click, and we can give, let's say, like var counter equals 0, and every time they clicks counter plus equals 1. And if counter modulus 2 equals 0, so we are checking every time if this is a even number. Okay, or so we give it 1. So and then fade in, else we have this is one way we can achieve. Maybe let's see, container dot fade out. So when we click this, this gets fade in and fades out. Okay, so okay, also we can give like slide in and slide out. So let's see, slide in function, slide in jQuery. Okay, slide down and slide up. Okay, so slide down and slide up. So we have this effect. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I hope you like this video. Let's see if we can improve this part, right? So if clicked jQuery, if check if it clicked or not, or if displayed in jQuery, hidden in jQuery. So element is visible. Okay, so let's do that also. So rather than doing like this, what do we do? If and then this, okay, if element is visible, then which element? Body container, so it will be within column. So if this is visible, then if this is visible not equals or equals false, let's see whether that works. Okay, so I have saved it and I have reloaded this. Okay, so even this is working. So if this is visible, if this is visible is false, only then slide down, else slide up. So this is another way we can achieve the same goal. Okay, so